In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a password-protected Excel file without software. This process is very straightforward and it works by simply opening the file in Microsoft Excel and entering the correct password when prompted. If you already have access to the password, this is the quickest and safest way to get into the workbook without using any third-party tools or extra programs. To begin, locate the password-protected Excel file on your computer. This may be in your Downloads folder, on your desktop, or inside another folder where you save the workbook. If you're not sure where it is, take a moment to search for the file name so you can find the correct document before moving on. Once you've found the file, open the workbook. You can do this by double-clicking the Excel file directly from its folder, or by opening Microsoft Excel first and then selecting the file from within the program. Either method works, so use whichever feels easiest for you. As soon as the workbook begins to open, Excel will display a prompt asking for the password. At this point, carefully type in the correct password. Make sure you enter it exactly as it was given to you, because passwords are often case sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters matter. Also, check for any extra spaces at the beginning or end if the password was copied from somewhere else. After entering the password, click OK. If the password is correct, the Excel workbook will open normally. From there, you'll be able to view the contents, and depending on the protection settings applied to that file, you may also be able to make edits. If the file does not open, double check the password and try again slowly. A small typing mistake is one of the most common reasons access is denied. It's also a good idea to confirm that you're using the password for opening the file itself, since some Excel workbooks can have different types of protection, such as one password to open and another to modify. And that's all there is to it. As long as you have the correct password, you can open a password-protected Excel file directly in Excel without needing any additional software. This method is simple, secure, and ideal for anyone who just needs quick access to a protected workbook.